Now children, our next topic is electric potential or potential difference. Electric potential and potential difference, there is a minute difference between these two. In electric potential, we are bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point, whereas in potential difference, we are bringing a unit positive charge from one point to another point. Now, the main question comes that where is this infinity point lies? Is this infinity is showing some distance? So, the answer is no. Infinity means, in very short, I want to explain you because this is a concept of class 12th. If there is a positive charge beta, then there must be some influence of this positive charge around some area, which is called as electric field. Okay. Now, if here is some point A and here some small test charge is kept. So, obviously, if this is positive, they will repel each other. Okay. And there is a point B, for example, inside this electric field. So, in class 12th, you will study that electric field is inversely proportional to distance r. That means, if you will increase the distance from this positive charge, if you will go far, then the value of this electric field will start decreasing. So, obviously, mathematically, E will become 0 when r will become infinity. So, in other terms, I can say that if there is a point outside this electric field where E is 0, all the points which are lying in this area here, you will take r as infinity. So, if you talk about A, since it is lying outside this electric field, so the value of electric field will be 0. So, if the value of electric field will be 0, so the distance we will take as infinity. We will say that this test charge, this positive unit positive charge is kept at infinity. Why? Because the value of electric field is 0. Now, this is positive, it will repel each other. So, if I want to take this positive charge from point A to point B, then obviously I have to do some work. मुझे कुछ वर्क करना पड़ेगा because they both are repelling each other. तो जब मैं वर्क करूँगी, you have studied in class 9th कि if you are doing some work on any body, some potential energy is stored in that body. Similarly, when I'll do some work in bringing this test positive unit charge from infinity to this point B, some potential energy will be stored at point B, which is called as electric potential of point B. Clear? Now, similarly, if I bring this unit positive charge from A to point C, which is again inside the electric field. So, some potential energy is again stored at point C, which is called as electric potential of point C. And if I bring a unit positive charge from C to B, then this is called as potential difference, and potential difference between C to B will be equal to Vc minus Vb. Clear? Don't go so much deep because this is all about class 12th. I just want to give an idea where this infinity point lies, so I am explaining you. So, for example, if I bring this positive charge from infinity to point B, some potential energy of 10 volt is saved, okay, is stored. So, the electric potential of point B will be 10 volt. Similarly, when I am bringing this to this charge, for example, 15 volt potential energy gets stored in point C. So, 15 volt will be the electric potential of point C. So, what will be the potential difference between B and C? It will be 5 volt. 15 minus 10. Clear? So, potential difference की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, तब दोनों पॉइंट हमारे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के अंदर होंगे, और जब हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हमारा एक पॉइंट जो है वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के बाहर होगा, जहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 होगी, एंड दैट पॉइंट इज टर्म्ड एज इन्फिनिटी. सो आई होप you all have understood where this infinity point actually lies. So just learn these two definitions. Mathematically, V is equal to W by Q, amount of work done to bring a unit positive charge from one point to another, and the SI unit is volt, which is represented by V. Thank you.